Hello everyone, in this video I will make a quick, simple race car. Cut a 4 cm skateboard strip. Sand off the varnish and graphics on the belt sander. I have 18mm thick scraps laying around. Glue it together, use enough clamps. Cut out a car shape you like on the bandsaw. Let me know in the comments, do you like the new voiceover or should I go back to subtitling? Sand the car smooth on the belt sander. It's time to give the car some more shape from the top view. Here I am trying to make a head on the bandsaw. I wish I had a lathe so I could make a better head. I've glued an 8mm dowel in the head. Drill an 8mm hole in the body of the car. I've made 4 wheels out of an old skateboard with a 28mm hole saw. I'm making my own 6mm dowels. If you want to see how I make them, go watch some of my previous videos. Glue the head in place. Cut off the axles and finish with mineral oil. And now you're ready to play. Bye bye, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.